Alright, now are you guys ready for doing addition and subtraction of integers? Ready? Okay. So it's addition and subtraction of integers, not absolute value. Remember that, okay? Okay. There are three steps of adding integers with the same or like signs. Find the absolute value of two integers, add the absolute value, and then place a sign of the original integers on the sum. So like minus 5 and minus. Remember, there are some rules, okay? Addition of same, integers of same sign will be the same, answer will be the same sign. So like if I say I have to find the addition of minus 5 and minus 7, what do? I find the absolute value of minus 5, which is 5 and 7. What do I need to do? I just need to add. So 5 and 7 is 12. Now the answer has the same sign as the integers, so the sum is negative. Okay? The sum of two positive integers, these are some of the rules. Sum of two positive integers is positive, sum of two negative integers is negative. So when minus 5 and add minus 7, just add 5 and 7 absolute values and place minus 12. You do not get it, okay. So remember this rule, sum of two positive integers is positive, okay, and then sum of two negative integers is negative, okay. So I need to find the sum of minus 5 and minus 7. I'm adding these two, okay. So what am I going to do? Minus 5, the absolute value is 5, minus 7, the absolute value is 7. What do? I add both of them. 5 and 7 equals 12. And then I'll place minus sign because both these integers had negative sign. Do you get it now? Zain, do you get it? Let me know if you still don't get it. Okay. Let's solve some problems. Now I need to add minus 3 plus minus 5. Okay, I need to find this. So what will I do? I know these two integers have negative sign, so sum is going to be negative. Okay, so what do? I will just add 3 and 5 because they are the absolute values of minus 3 and 5. So I will add them and I will say answer is minus 8. Because both are negative. I'll take one more example for you. If I had to do 2 plus 6, what is their answer? It's 8. Why it's 8? Because 2 and 6 are both positive, so the answer is also positive. But if it was minus 2 plus minus 6, then the answer would be 2 and 6 and 8. And both are minus integers, negative, minus 8 would be the answer in that case. Yes, you get it? Good. Okay, let's see now. If an integer has no sign, like for example 5 plus 7, then it means it's a positive integer. Plus 5 and 5 mean the same, okay. So we are adding plus 5 plus 7 equals 12. Now what happens when we have integers with different or opposite signs? What do? We find the absolute value of two integers. We subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger absolute value and we place the sign of the integer with larger absolute value on the sum. Okay? So let's see. I need to find the sum of minus 5 and 3. We find the first absolute values, 5 and 3. Okay. Now we're going to, even though we are adding, but they are integers of different signs. So what are we going to do? We're going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I need to find what is the sign of this answer? Is it positive 2 or is it negative 2? So 5 is the bigger number between 5 and 3, and it has negative sign. It's a negative integer. So I'll put -2. Okay, let me give you with some more examples. Let's say -7 plus 3 if I were to do. So what will I do? I will first do subtraction because they are integers of opposite sign. Even if I'm here it's addition, okay? Remember, this is the rule of addition. I'm adding integers of opposite signs. So what do? I will say 7 minus 3 is 4, right? And now which integer has bigger? 7 has bigger. 7 is bigger and sign is minus, so I'll place -4. Clear? Yeah, you'll get it. Let me give you more examples. So let's say I'm doing now -2 plus 6. Okay, so I need to find the sum. What do? They are integers of opposite sign, so I'm going to do the subtraction. Okay, I'm going to subtract the smaller from the bigger. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now what sign I should place? -4 or +4? I should place +4. Why? Because